Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Streets Bio Simplified. Today we are going to take a look on reproduction in organisms chapter. Guys, for now, my videos are concerned with practicing concepts. You can learn concepts from NCRT and take a small test here. Soon I will upload concepts if you need to. Okay, let's get started. Let's see our first question. Find out the organism with the highest lifespan. Option A tortoise, option B horse, option C dog, option D fruit fly. Actually, it is truly a direct question from NCRT. You can see the diagrammatic representation regarding this question at page number 4. Let me show you the page too so that you can remember it quite easier. Okay, tortoise lifespan is given here and that is 100 to 150 years. And horse lifespan is not given though we need to know it and it is 25 to 30 years. Dog's lifespan is about 10 to 13 years. Actually, it may vary with breed. And at last, fruit fly lifespan is about 40 to 50 days. So, obviously, option A, tortoise is the correct answer as it lives 100 to 150 years. Okay, next question. A phenomenon is termed parthenogenesis when option A, artificial fertilization occurs, option B, egg is fertilized by a sperm, option C, egg undergoes cleavage without fertilization, option D, sperm dies before fertilization. Easy one, guys, and the right option is C, egg undergoes cleavage without fertilization. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a vegetative propagule? Option A, rhizome and sucker. Option B, tuber and offset. Option C, bulbil. Example in agave, leaf buds and bulbs. Option D, antherozoid. Memory based one, and the right option is D, antherozoid. Next question. Which corresponds to parthenogenesis? Option A, autogamy. Option D, endomixis. Option C, cytogamy. Option D, amphimixis. The right option for this question is B, endomixis. Okay, next question. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Mode of reproduction with example. Option A, binary fission, sargassum. Option B, Conidia penicillium. Option C, offset, water hyacinth. Option D, rhizome, banana. B, C, D are correctly matched, but sargassum is brown algae. In brown algae, asexual reproduction occurs by means of spores, and sexual reproduction varies from isogamy and isogamy to oogamy. So the right odd one out is option A, that is binary fission, sargassum. Okay, next question. Which of these characteristics belong to organisms showing internal fertilization? Option A, eggs are formed inside the female body where they fuse with male gamete. Option B, male gametes are motile. Option C, number of eggs produced less in number. Option D, all of this. Imagine us when you hear a word internal fertilization. Then you will realize that A, B and C explains the characteristics of internal fertilization. So the right option is D, that is all of this. Okay, next question. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A, all the individuals of a species have exactly the same lifespan. Option B, smaller organisms always have shorter lifespan and vice versa. Option C, lifespan of an organism is the time period from its birth to its natural death. Option D, no organism may have a lifespan of several hundred years. Okay, let me explain you. Lifespan is the period of birth to natural death. The species members may or may not have the same lifespan depending on various anthropogenic and natural factors. Lifespan is independent of size. Say for example, parrot lives for 140 years and crow lives for 15 years, but both are of same size. Option D is also incorrect because many organisms have a lifespan of several hundred years. For example, banyan tree lives 200 years and another tree named Lamantia tasmanica lives for 43,000 years. Google it if you want to know more about it. So the right option is C, that is lifespan of an organism is the time period of its birth to its natural death. Okay, let's see our next question. Which of the following regulates the reproductive process and the associated behavioral expressions of organisms? Option A, hormones. Option B, environmental factors. Option C, abiotic components. Option D, interaction between hormones and environmental factors. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following statements is false? A, bamboo species flower only once in their lifetime, generally after 50 to 100 years, and produce large number of fruits and die. B, in animals, the juvenile phase is followed by morphological and physiological changes prior to active reproductive behavior. C. The reproductive phase is of same duration in all organisms. D. Juvenile phase is the period of growth between the birth of an individual till it reaches reproductive maturity. E. In plants, juvenile phase is also called vegetative phase. Option A, A. Option B, B. Option C, C. Option D, E. Option E is E. That is not given there, but I'm mentioning it. So the right option is C. Okay, it's the right answer. Next question. Chromosome number in myocyte of Drosophila, that is fruit fly, is option A 2, option B 4, option C 6, option D 8. So the right answer for this question is option D, that is 8. Okay, that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you.